Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another new video. Today I'm gonna make you a potato salad with vegetables. You will need 5 big potatoes, 1 onion, small, medium, 1 big carrot, 3-4 garlic cloves. You need green olives, kidney beans, pickles, and broccoli heads. I cut and peeled off everything so it's ready for you so you can see. And here I'm boiling my water already. I move you up here so you can see. I'm boiling already my water so I can add my broccoli and my potatoes. I'm cutting my potatoes into small pieces, not very small, like this, like half and half again, like cross. If it's a very big one, you cut it in half and then half again, and then into 6 pieces. Roughly, and you put them into your pot. Okay, let me start doing it because my water is already boiling. And my broccoli is also ready. I'm waiting for the water to boil. It's gonna be a very fresh, healthy salad with lots of vitamins. You can, if you're hosting people or as a buffet, or if you're having a barbecue in summer, it's a really good option. You can have it as a side dish, or also even as a main, depending on you. But I really highly recommend you to try it. It's so easy, so simple, very fresh, and it tastes very good, very good. So I'm adding all the potatoes in the pot. I see the water for my broccoli is also now ready, and I will add in my broccoli. Let me cut the last potato. This, and we let them boil till they are soft, ready to add also the broccoli into the water. Okay, let me move you so you can see. Sorry about that. Okay, here we are. I washed it very well. You know, broccoli can be really funny inside here. You can see some black bits. I always like to cut it in smaller pieces and wash it. So, excuse me. So what I was saying is, at the meantime, while I'm waiting for the potatoes and the broccoli to boil, I will chop my carrot. Well, you have to use 1 big carrot. I didn't have now. I use all what I have. And just cut them into small pieces. That's it. Simply easy. And continue cutting your pickles in the same way, like the carrot, not smaller than that. That's completely fine. And stay tuned till the end to see how we're going to make the dressing for that salad. Now I'm cutting the onion. Just cut it in 3 pieces and then in thin slices and 3 times like that, and it's enough. You don't need to do don't have to cut it really fancy. Or you can cut it in bigger pieces depending on you if you like to taste it. And that's it basically. And here I have my kidney beans and my green olives, and we keep the garlic cloves for the dressing, which I show you in the end. So we are back. My potatoes are ready, my broccoli is ready. Broccoli is also it has cooled down. I will drain my potatoes first, and I will let them cool down a little bit as well. So back we are. While my potatoes are cooling down, I'm showing you how I make the dressing. I squeezed already 3.5 lemons, and I'm gonna squeeze the other half as well. So you need 4 lemons in total. Make sure you have a lot of juice, otherwise your potato salad is gonna taste it's gonna be very dry. You need that lemon, and however, you're gonna put it in a jar. In a jar here, use a jar with a lid for the dressing. I chopped the garlic, 4 garlic cloves in very small pieces, and I'm gonna add the lemon inside now, very carefully. Don't worry if it's too much. You don't have to put it all in your salad. You can store it afterwards in the fridge. You can use it another time or whatever. Now you need to add olive oil, of course. Don't worry, it might look a lot, but once you mix it and you stir it on top of your salad, believe me, it's gonna be fine. So, olive oil and some salt. And pepper, black grounded pepper. It, and some oregano. Okay, I want to try to do it like this. Close the lid very well and shake it very well as well, and leave it aside, and you can serve it with your salad. Either you can put it into the bowl with all the ingredients if you are hosting people, as we said, and you have a buffet or you're having a barbecue. It's good if you put this the dressing on top, but if you want, if you're having a dinner 2 or 4, you can leave the dressing aside and you can put in your plate. So I'm gonna add the potatoes now in the bowl. They're not super cold, but it's fine. I want to show you now how I'm gonna do it. Next, I'm adding the broccoli. I'm adding the onion, the carrot, and the pickles. If you don't like some of these ingredients, like, you're very welcome, you can avoid it. you can skip it. Or if you want to add something else, I'm not sure. You can try it and leave your comments down below on my video. And I'm adding the olives and the red kidney beans. These are giving all the completing the vitamin bowl here. And now, good luck. You have to mix it very well. And yeah, then you are ready to serve. Voila!